Hi everybody, in this video today I'm going to show you how to install the Window Builder plugin for Eclipse, which will let you edit the interface and your forms and your buttons by clicking and dragging, as opposed to having to go through the code manually, which we've avoided doing up until now because it's time consuming. So like the example that I've got here just has a plain old button in it. You can see the text that it has on the button and you can see the location of it, but dealing with that is kind of a pain. So let's install the Eclipse plugin that's called Window Builder. So go to the link for the homepage, which is beside this video and in your handout, eclipse.org/windowbuilder/download.php. We're gonna take the latest version of this and we're going to use the update site that goes with that. So take this link right here and right click on it and copy the link location. What we're going to do is we're going to go into Eclipse and we're going to go to Help and Install New Software. And now in this box here, basically we're going to give it that update site and let it download the plugins from there. So let's add a new source, which I'm going to call Window Builder, and paste the location in. Add. And what it does is it goes to that site and figures out what options are available from that site. And we need the Swing Designer and the Window Builder Core. You don't need the SWT stuff. Click Next, and it finds a bunch of plugins. That looks fine. Click Next. Accept the license. The Eclipse license is basically an open source license. Finish. At the bottom you'll see the finishing installing software thing. You can click the progress and it will ask you to restart Eclipse, which you should click OK on. And after Eclipse loads back up, what you can now do is take this form and you can right click on it and go to Open with Window Builder's Editor. And the source part of it looks exactly the same, but if you come down here to the bottom where you see a tab for design, you can now click on that and now you've got a visual designer. And you can add all of your labels, which are called JLabel. Click on your interface and you can give it a good name such as test, and you can fit some text into this and you can resize things. And your alignments, you can have leading or trailing is on the right, or centered, and you can change your colors with foreground, etc. And go ahead and click Save.